Toy Slime Fun!
Hello, friends. Who's excited to have some fun with our favorite PJ Masks characters? And of course, slime! Let's use all different colors of transforming slime to change our PJ Masks friends into something fun! Let's start with Gecko and his super lizard grip. What color of transforming slime should we use on Gecko? Green, of course! Next up, we have Catboy with his super cat speed. What color slime should we put on Catboy? That's right. How about blue? Okay, Owlette, and your super owl wings. It's your turn to be slimed. What color slime should we use on Owlette? Great idea! Purple! Then we have the Yip Yip Yaroo! PJ Masks villain, Howler, from the Wolfie Kids. What color slime should we use on Howler? Okay, how about red? Next, we have Luna Girl, the PJ Masks villain who's always shouting, "Oh, you punny PJ Masks!" What color of transforming slime should we use on Luna Girl? How about orange? And our last PJ Masks villain is Romeo! You've spoiled my fun this time, PJ Masks, but I'll be back. What color of transforming slime should we use on Romeo? Great idea! Let's use yellow. Wow! Look at all of that colorful slime. Who do you think the PJ Masks have transformed into? There's only one way to find out. Let's get off all of this sticky slime and see who's inside. Let's start with the green slime that used to be Gecko. Wow, it worked! Who did Gecko transform into? A cute little doggy with a green hat and a green collar. It's the Paw Patrol pup, Rocky. Don't lose it, reuse it. Let's see who's hiding in the purple slime. That used to be Owlette. Do you know the name of this Paw Patrol pup? That's right, it's Sky. Let's take to the sky. This pup's gotta fly. Now let's check the orange slime. That used to be Luna Girl. Wow! Luna Girl has transformed into this cute little puppy with an orange helmet and an orange collar. Do you remember his name? Great job! It's Zuma. Ready, set, get wet. Can you guess who's in the blue slime? That used to be Catboy. Hooray! Look who Catboy's transformed into. This Paw Patrol pup has a blue hat and a blue collar. Do you know his name? You guessed it. It's Chase. These paws uphold the laws. Now let's see who's stuck in the red slime. That used to be Howler. We did it! We got all the slime off this Paw Patrol pup that has a red fireman's hat and a red collar. Do you remember his name? That's right, it's Marshall. We only have the yellow transforming slime left. Can you guess who's inside? Let's pull up all of this slime and find out. Wow, that's amazing! The yellow transforming slime has turned Romeo into this cute little Paw Patrol pup with a yellow hard hat and a yellow collar. Do you know his name? Great job! It's Rubble! Thanks for helping me transform our PJ Masks friends into Paw Patrol Pups. I hope you had a lot of fun. Which character was your favorite? Was it Gecko or Rocky? Catboy or Chase? Owlette or Sky? Howler or Marshall? Luna Girl or Zuma? Romeo or Rubble? I can't wait to slime with you next time. Bye-bye for now. If you liked this fun video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more toy slime fun videos, make sure to push the red subscribe button. Also, leave me a comment below telling me which toys you want to see us slime next. See you next time.